guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is the third time I've shot this video. The third time. In my last video, or 2 videos ago, I did a haul at Five Below. There, I found this palette. It's the Bretman Rock in collaboration with Wet n Wild. And I showed you guys in the video, and a lot of you said that you would like to see a makeup look done using this palette. So I said, okay, I can do that. So today I will be doing a makeup look using this palette. So I have used this palette already. As you can see, I've already dove into some of the colors while I've shot this video before. This is what the palette looks like. I'm going to be doing a halo eye today, and I'm going to start out. It's going to be pretty simple. I'm not going to go like extremely crazy. But I'm going to start out by going into this shade. It's called Ape Shit. It's right here, right here. I'm going to dip into that, and I'm going to go into my crease with that color and up above onto my brow bone. You guys know that I have hooded eyes, so I have to bring that color up. It's very, very pretty. A lot of pigment. But when you have hooded eyes, sometimes you have to work a little extra compared to other people, but we're gonna get it done. That color goes on so smooth. I will say this, the formula of this, I don't know if this is what Wet n Wild's formula always is, but the formula in this palette it's amazing. It's really good. I saw before where some people said that it kind of skipped and stuff. I haven't experienced that. The 3 times that I have shot this video, I have not experienced that personally. This, to me, is a really pretty color. It has a really good payoff. You guys know, like I said before, I have hooded eyes, so I have to kind of play around with color placement and how high I have to bring that up. And there's also like a spot on my, like right where my brow bone is, that it doesn't like to take color. There's a hair in my face. It's like weird because it like, there's a patch that doesn't really take color really easily. I don't know what is up with that, but this is so far, it's really, really pretty. I want to bring that color up just a little bit more, just to match the other side, make sure we're even. So pretty. What I want to do though is I want to go in with a fluffy brush, and I just want to blend that out to make sure there's no harshness to it and it just flows really well. Same thing on this eye. So I also want to bring that color down onto my lid, just on the outer corner, because I'm also going to darken that up. So when I was shooting this video, I didn't know what look I wanted to do, and I started with this. I was going to try to do this brown look, and it didn't really show up on camera that well. I think I needed like a darker brown. In the pan, this brown looks really dark, but when you transition it onto your eyelids, it gives you like more of a caramel color, kind of like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. And it's not a like chocolate brown like it looks in the palette. But now that I have that brown laid down, I'm gonna go in with this shade. I think the lights just flash. I'm going to go in with the shade Pounce on them. And we're going to do a halo eye. So I'm going to do this shade. Okay, that was weird. I'm going to do this shade. I'm going to do this shade on the outside and the inside of my eye. I'm going to try to get really good color in there. I hear the cats in the hallway playing. So I'm gonna do the same over here. I just wanna try to focus that. You can work this a little bit onto your eyelid, but I really want to keep that to the outside of my eye. Do you guys hear the cats? They're like going ham in the hallway. Now what I want to do is I just want to take my fluffy brush, kind of work that on up. Alright, now that I have that color down, I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to spray it. And I'm going to go into this color Prowl right here. And I'm going to just get some of that. I'm going to lay it right there in the center of my and you can go really intense in the center and kind of work it out to the side just so it kind of blends out a little bit. And you can go as intense as you want. Alright guys, so that is the eyelid done. I'm going to take a break real quick, throw on some liner and some lashes, and I'll be right back to do the bottom line. Alright guys, so I'm back. I put on some fake lashes. Now what I want to do is I want to go and smoke out my bottom lash line. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dip back into that red color. It's going to go up underneath my lash line. Wash of color. Alright, so now that I have that on, I'm going to go back into the color Prowl, and I'm going to go into my inner corner with that, because I think that it'll look really, really pretty. So I'm going to find a small brush. Just going to touch into that. Just right into my inner corner. And if you want to, you can bring that kind of down on that bottom lash line, just to kind of connect it a little bit. But that is the final look. So my final thought on this palette. Really good color payoff. I had a little difficult with that red, but I think that's because I didn't prime my eyes. Either you guys hear the cats playing out in the hallway. Got a little foundation on my lips. This palette has really good color payoff. It's definitely a grab if you can find it in Five Below or any other place that might have it. I don't know if Wet n Wild still has this on their website. I don't know about that. But yeah, this is well worth it. So thank you guys again for tuning into my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. You know